Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute paper earring in a form of a pendant. I found these pendant earrings in a €1 shop with a bit that I didn't like, and then I cut off the two beads, and then I created this with it's a flower, double flower, and I use some glitter paper. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute paper earring in form of a pendant. We will need a piece of glitter paper. In my case it's this pale blue, and then a paper punch, flower paper punch. We will need to cut with this punch 2, 3, 4, 6 pieces, because we will need to glue together 2 pieces for the middle part. So with some tacky glue we will glue together this part. Okay, and this way try to put together, voila, this. Just a second. Okay, voila. Okay, and now leave it to dry. Now we will need to put together the 2 flowers. Before to glue the 2 pieces, we will need to round the petals, and this way with something. I'm using a brush, the back of the brush. Okay, we will round all the petals, voila, and then with some tacky glue we will glue together the petals. Okay, voila. Now glue together the flowers in this way. Voila, leave it to dry. Voila. Okay, and leave it to dry. Now we will need to glue this to this. Before, it's better to punch a hole here in this part. Voila. Okay, and then if you want you can put your flowers in the jump ring. Voila, close. I think they are so nice even in this way, with only a simple flower, but we will glue together the other 2 flowers. Okay, we will need to glue this to this part. Okay, and when it will be dry we will glue together. I have another one ready. We can, sorry, this one went off. The glitter paper takes a long time to glue. Voila. If you want you can glue this here. Okay, now we will change as I said before, the glitter paper takes some time to glue. Okay, but we can do in this way because we have this one ready. We will put this here, so the back and the flower, the first flower, and then close the jump ring, and then we will glue this flower here. And I think they are quite nice to wear, above all for the summer party, when summer will come. Voila, here our super cute and easy paper pendant, glitter paper pendant, and you can create them in many different colors because the glitter paper comes in many different colors, in black, in red, in rose gold, in blue, in gold, and silver. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.